Car scratch repair pens provide a fast, easy, and affordable solution to hide scratches, restoring your car's appearance instantly. My today's video is about top 5 best car scratch repair pens that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Zontrio Magic Car Scratch Removal Pen. The Magic Car Scratch Repair Pen is a versatile solution designed to work on all car colors, from black and white to red and silver. Its innovative formula repairs the clear coat layer, ensuring smooth, well-blended results without the need for color matching. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, the pen offers a simple 3-step process. Clean the scratch with the prep tip, apply the repair formula, and blend with the provided pad, delivering professional quality results effortlessly. Beyond convenience, it effectively erases light scratches, swirl marks, and minor scuffs, restoring your car's glossy shine and enhancing its overall appearance. This not only revives your vehicle's look, but also protects its long-term value. Compared to costly body shop repairs, this pen saves hundreds of dollars, making it a practical and economical choice. Trusted by thousands of car owners, it's backed by 24-hour support and risk-free purchase assurance, making it an essential tool for maintaining any car. Now our second product is Leuman's Vitainst Clear Fix Scratch Remover. The Magic Car Scratch Repair Pen offers a reliable, professional-grade solution for protecting and repairing your vehicle. Its transparent, waterproof formula forms a durable protective layer that resists rain, car washes, and strong sunlight, ensuring your car's paint stays shiny without fading or cracking. Designed with safety in mind, the gentle formula is completely non-damaging, allowing frequent use while protecting both your car and yourself. Using the pen is effortless. No special skills or tools are needed. Simply shake, activate the tip, apply to the scratch, and wipe clean. Its compact, pocket-sized design makes it perfect for on-the-go use, fitting easily into a glove box, tool bag, or pocket. Highly versatile, it works on all car colors and paint surfaces and can even repair minor scratches on headlights, windows, and rearview mirrors. Practical, portable, and effective, this pen is an essential tool for any car owner who values convenience, protection, and flawless results. Our third product is Sciri Car Paint Pen. The touch-up paint pen is an essential tool for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers looking to repair minor scratches efficiently. It effectively removes coatings and fills scratches, saving both time and money compared to professional body shop repairs. Easy to use. Simply clean the scratched area, shake the pen 10 to 40 times, and apply in layers, 3 to 5 layers for deeper scratches, ensuring smooth coverage without over-application. The formula dries quickly in about 10 minutes at room temperature, allowing for multiple layers in a single session and fast results, especially on sunny days. This versatile pen works on a wide range of surfaces, including metal, plastic, fiberglass, and PVC, and is suitable for car roofs, doors, hoods, and bumpers. With an accurate selection of colors, it blends seamlessly with most car paints. While it cannot completely erase scratches, it significantly reduces their appearance and prevents rust, making it a practical, cost-effective solution for maintaining your vehicle's appearance. Now on number 4, Stotor Gray Touch-Up Paint for Cars. The Gray Touch-Up Paint Pen is a highly effective solution for repairing car scratches and restoring your vehicle's pristine look. Crafted with premium materials and advanced technology, its thick, smooth formula delivers a glossy, even finish that blends seamlessly with your car's original paint. Designed to match the exact color of most gray vehicles, it hides scratches invisibly, bringing your car back to a like-new condition. Beyond aesthetics, it provides lasting protection, waterproof and UV-resistant, to prevent rust and damage from minor scratches. Application is quick and simple. Clean the area, shake, and apply evenly in one direction, layering for deeper scratches. The paint dries in just 10 minutes, saving time and money compared to costly shop repairs. Versatile and precise, the pen features a metal tip for small chips and a brush for larger scratches, and it works on cars, motorcycles, boats, and more. a practical, reliable, and cost-effective tool for long-term car care. And our last choice is Stuccool touch-up paint for car. The car scratch remover pen with brush and nib design is a versatile tool for efficiently repairing minor paint imperfections. Its two-in-one design combines a fine tip for pinpoint scratches and a brush for linear or larger blemishes, making it ideal for addressing a variety of scratches and scuffs on your vehicle. Convenient and easy to use, the pen allows anyone to touch up affected areas quickly. Simply shake, apply, and watch scratches blend seamlessly into the surrounding paint. With multiple color options, you can find a precise match for your car. Just refer to the color swatch on the pen cap for guidance. The application process is straightforward. Shake until the roller ball moves, apply one coat, let it dry, and add layers as needed, working in one direction for a smooth finish. While it won't completely erase scratches, it effectively reduces their visibility and restores your car's polished look with minimal effort. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.